Healthcare, technologies such as telemedicine, wearable devices, and AI-powered diagnostics can improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of healthcare. Manufacturing, robotics, automation, and AI can help improve efficiency, productivity, and safety in manufacturing processes. Retail, technologies such as augmented reality and personalized recommendations can enhance the shopping experience and improve customer engagement and loyalty. Finance, blockchain technology and cryptocurrency can help improve security, transparency, and efficiency in financial transactions and processes. Transportation, autonomous vehicles, smart traffic management systems, and drone technology can help improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability in transportation. Education, technologies such as AR and VR can enhance learning experiences and improve access to education. Energy, smart grids, renewable energy technologies, and energy storage solutions can help improve the efficiency and sustainability of energy production and consumption.